Hello everyone, welcome back to 说说 Chinese, 说说中文. I'm Shuo, your Chinese native speaking teacher living in Bangkok, Thailand. I've made one video talking about daily Chinese words with sexual innuendos 2 years ago. But even though there was nothing improper in that video, YouTube somehow stopped recommending it to more people. So you can click here to watch this video if you're interested. What am I talking about? Of course you are interested. So just check it out now. And today, I want to teach you some euphemisms for making love. 做爱 making love. 做爱 But I have to say that not only my mom, I also feel a little bit uncomfortable to say this word out loud. But don't get me wrong. It is 做爱 is not vulgar. It's just too direct. And we, as Chinese people, are not used to talk about sex directly yet. That's why we've created many different euphemisms to talk about this normal but sensitive topic. I will start with the most common and colloquial ones. The first word is 上床. 上床. It literally means to go to bed. 昨天我很早就上床睡觉了。昨天我很早就上床睡觉了。我太累了，衣服都没脱就上床了。我太累了，衣服都没脱就上床了。But if someone says, 我不会跟你上床的, I think you get what she means. The next word is very, very useful. It is polite, but not too polite. Formal, but not too formal. So we can basically use it in every situation, no matter with your friends, your doctor, or your parents. If you do talk about this topic with your parents though, 发生关系. 发生关系 literally means happen a relationship. It is short from 发生性关系. 发生性关系. A sexual relationship happens or have sexual intercourse. I don't know whether it is the same in English, but 发生关系 is used so commonly that I wouldn't feel awkward even though I say it for 10 times. 发生关系，发生关系，发生关系，发生关系，发生关系，发生关系，发生关系，发生关系，发生关系，发生关系，发生关系。Let me show you some examples. 我没有办法接受第一次见面就发生关系。我没有办法接受第一次见面就发生关系。他跟他的同事发生过关系。他跟他的同事发生过关系。This phrase is used very commonly, especially among young people. 滚床单，滚床单 roll bed sheet. Quite straightforward, isn't it? I literally use this word with my friends a lot. Well, not that a lot. Let me show you some examples.
滚床单一定要做好保护措施。滚床单一定要做好保护措施。
他怎么不接电话？一定是在跟别人滚床单。他怎么不接电话？一定是在跟别人滚床单。You can also say 滚床单 in a short way.
他们约会了5次，滚了1次。他们约会了5次，滚了1次。
哎，美女，滚床单吗？滚！ This is what we call 鼓掌。鼓掌。But does this sound remind you of something? We normally say 为爱鼓掌 applaud for love. This phrase is not improper at all because it has appeared on TV many times.
你们两个因为爱情鼓过掌吗？
So next time if you got this question, 第一次为爱鼓掌是什么时候？ You won't answer the same as her. 第一次参加朋友婚礼的时候，我真正的感受到了爱情的美好。Then it is not hard to understand if your Chinese bestie send you a text like this. 我们在一起3个月了，还没有。Likewise, the sound pa 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 also implies the same thing. 我真不太喜欢我的同事跟我开跟啪啪啪有关系的玩笑。我真不喜欢我的同事跟我开跟啪啪啪有关系的玩笑。你小的时候撞见过爸爸妈妈啪啪啪吗？你小的时候撞见过爸爸妈妈啪啪啪吗？ Then I want to teach you a bunch of phrases that doctors would use. They may come in handy if you want to do a checkup in China. The first phrase is 夫妻生活。夫妻生活 the life activity between husbands and wives. The doctor may ask you, 上一次夫妻生活是什么时候？上一次夫妻生活是什么时候？ Or they may advise you, 最近1个星期不要有夫妻生活。最近1个星期不要有夫妻生活。Depends on personalities. Sometimes some people would also use 夫妻生活 with their friends. 最近我跟我老公的夫妻生活不太和谐。最近我跟我老公的夫妻生活不太和谐。The next word is 同房。同房 to be in the same room. This is quite formal and you may hear it from your doctors. Sometimes the doctors could ask you these questions in a very indirect way. And I have to show you the story of my student Alex.
我第一次去一个中国的医院体检，有一个医生问我你结婚了吗？然后我说没结婚了。医生他不想做一个女生的体检，我问他为什么你不会做这个体检？他说你没结婚了，这个体检就是结婚的女人做的。我告诉他我有男友。然后他说你和你的男友吗？
The doctors would assume that you understand 你有男朋友吗？ Or 你结婚了吗？ Are the substitute questions for 你有性经历吗？ So if you don't mind, you can tell them directly that 我没有男朋友，但是我有性经历。The last group includes some fun euphemisms. Some of them are the internet phrases, which I don't think will last for too long. And I will also tell you a very interesting phrase from the ancient Chinese. Every time when I see this word, I immediately have a flashback to the horrible memories when I was in the graduate school trying to get my thesis done. But if you see some Chinese people post some content like this, 昨天我们 DOI 了 It means 昨天我们滚床单了 Why? It's actually a bit ridiculous. do means 做 and I sounds like I. So do I 做爱 And here is a similar phrase. 买可乐 Buy Coke. I'm always amazed by how creative people can be when it comes to sex. Try to say this phrase quickly. 买可乐，买可乐，买可乐，买可乐，买可乐. You get the idea. Okay, the last word I want to mention in this video is 云雨. 云雨, clouds and rain. An example sentence could be 云雨之后，他们都睡着了。云雨之后，他们都睡着了。Why cloud and rain together means to have sex? I actually had to Google it, but the explanation I found online was a little bit unconvincing and hard to remember. So how about just think that there are at least 2 overly happy people feel that they are in heaven and they're playing with the cloud and the raindrops. Talking about ancient Chinese. Oh my god, there are way more phrases talking about sex. 男欢女爱，游龙戏凤，风流韵事，烟花风月，酒池肉林，干柴烈火，颠鸾倒凤。Who says old people are more conservative? Alright, so this is the content of today's video. If you like this video, watch it 10 times. I will see you in my next video. 再见。